Hey gang, just sold a Crown Vic, going to his new home. Yes sir. Yes ma'am. Drive safe. It's gonna take some time to get used to, but he'll get used to it. There she goes. Oh man, what a sad day, but guys, I'm doing this to invest in myself. Trust me, I'll get something else later on down the road, man, but right now I gotta invest in myself. I know I'm not going through no hard times or nothing, but I got so many other projects that I gotta attend to. You know, I got the truck over there. I just got the Mustang out the shop. I got the AMG. We still got the Acura. I can't drive all these vehicles at one time, so you know, I made that project there. I completed it. Now it's on to the next chapter. So hopefully you guys aren't upset with me. Hopefully my day one still stick around no matter what kind of content I bring out. But that's just where we stand in life, guys. I know I haven't put a video out in a couple of months, but I've been super busy with work. That's what I'm trying to, you know, do better so that I could advance myself in life instead of working myself half to death, you know, if that makes any sense to anybody that's trying to invest in themselves. So yeah, short video. 2004 Crown Victoria that I had for 10 years is now gone, and start with a new chapter. Two-Time Moto TV out. Make sure y'all smash that sub button. A lot to come, trust me. A lot of better content to come with better vehicles. So y'all follow me, man. Appreciate all y'all watching. Make sure y'all smash that like button, and until next time, peace.